Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Students, today I am going to deliver a lecture of Science of Book 1 of Standard 5th, and today our topic is reproduction through other parts. As I have already discussed in reproduction in plants, now reproduction through other parts. As we know, some plants produce through other parts such as stem, roots and leaves. Reproduction of plants from their body parts and other seed is called vegetative propagation. Now the word here is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is that process of reproduction in which the process of reproduction occur without seeds. It occurs through stem, root or leaves. Now the stem of such many plants, here you can see, as we all know, in banana there is presence of no seed. Now how do these plants arise? These plants arise through stem. Or for another example of vegetative reproduction through stem is potato, sugarcane. These all these examples shows that the plant grow through stem, and the new plants can grow from tiny buds or stem cutting. Now, second mean of vegetative reproduction is through roots. Roots of some plant, here you can say sweet potato, grow and develops into shoot when kept in water for some time. These shoots then largely grow into a new plant. Reproduction through leaves. Here you can see plants such as bryophyllum can give rise to many young plants on its leaf edges. They can later grow into a new plant. Reproduction through spores. Spores are tiny structures which help in reproduction, that is in production of young plant. Many tiny reproductive structures are present in fern and mushrooms. Here you can see the example of spore type of reproduction in mushrooms. Now second topic is crop and vegetables. Now the word crop here is crop. In a layman language, crop can be defined as a plant which is grown in a large quantity in a particular area or a region for a particular season. Crops provide us food and other useful things. As we all know, basically on the basis of season the plants grow. Plants are of three types: Kharif, Rabi and Zaid. Here are only two discussed. Now I will tell you Rabi. Again, Rabi crop. Third is your Rabi crop. Now what is Kharif crop? Kharif crop is that crop which is sown in June and harvested in October. Opposite of Kharif is Rabi. That means Rabi crop is that crop which is sown in October and harvested in June. Now third type of crop is your Zaid crop, not Rabi, that is Zaid crop. Zaid crop. In between Kharif and Rabi, there occur a limited period of time, that is a period of 3 or 4 months, in which these type of crops grows. Zaid crop is also known as seasonal crop. Another name of crop is Zaid crop is seasonal crop. Another name of Kharif crop is summer crop. Another name of Rabi crop is winter crop. Now on the basis of season, crops are of three types: summer, winter and seasonal crops. Kharif crop mainly depend upon monsoon rains. Example of Kharif crop is rice, maize, jowar, bajra. Now Rabi crop doesn't depend upon monsoon. Example is wheat, gram, cabbage, cauliflower. And example of Zaid crop is flowers, watermelon, muskmelon, etc. Now another topic is farmers need to keep the following points in mind in order to produce a healthy crop. Number first condition is they should always use healthy and ripened seed for sowing. Another is they should prepare their soil properly. Number third is they should add manure or fertilizer to the soil, but that fertilizer which has no effect on environment. Fourth is irrigate the soil. There should be proper irrigation of the soil at a time in order to get rid from the drought period. Fifth is use insecticides and pesticides, but in limited amount so that they doesn't cause any harm to environment. Fifth is unplanted plants such as weeds should be removed from the fields. Pesticides and insecticides. Now the pesticides and insecticides words are here. Pesticides, name indicates pest and sides mean killing. Those chemicals which are used for pest killing. And insecticides means insect and sides means insect killing. These are those chemicals which are used for killing of insects. These chemicals are used to kill the pest which are harmful to the crops.